Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for December 4th, 2019. Today, we're looking at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, a couple of things to point out. First off is the previous trend. Let's put a line right here, the blue trend line there, the downtrend, previous downtrend, high to low, measuring that with Fibonacci. A couple of places to point out. Fibonacci 0.382 sat down here at the orange zone. I'll just put a little black arrow there. Orange zone, black trend line, 6430, 6440 area. The 6428 was the 382. And you can see last week we sat underneath there, that orange zone above the blue zone, as resistance for quite a long time, several days, finding congestion underneath the 382. A couple of days ago, breaking through the 382, challenging up to the 50% retracement level of the blue trend line near 6497, the yellow shaded area. And what I find interesting, we looked at this in yesterday's trade room, is the 0.618 fib sits right here at the green zone, 6566. Just a little above the 200 period moving average, which is the blue line. So Fibonacci, very interesting here for the New Zealand dollar of the blue trend line, breaking through the orange zone, challenging the 50%, targeting the 0.618. Isn't that interesting? So we have the rising black trend. Market's moving higher. That shows us direction and trend here for the New Zealand dollar. Market's been moving higher. We pushed through yesterday the yellow shaded area, 6510, 6495 is that yellow zone. Yesterday during the trade room, we talked about this a good bit. Follow it back to the left-hand side of the chart, the two black boxes. Let me just scoot the chart over just a little bit like that. So you can see the two black boxes where the market found support at the yellow zone, resistance at the green zone. So it's pretty clear historically that as the market is above the yellow zone, there is support, and the resistance is the green zone, 65, 55, 65, which is now identified as the 618 of the blue trend line. So a lot of evidence here that tells us above the yellow zone we should be able to target the green shaded area in the direction of our current trend and momentum for the New Zealand dollar. Zoom it in a couple of times there, or at least once, and there it is, sitting above the yellow zone right now, 65.10. So, and we spoke about this during the trade room yesterday. Not only do we have that, right there inside the yellow zone is also that even price handle, 0.6500, the double zero price level, and that also provides somewhat of a price boundary for the New Zealand dollar. So above there, we're looking to go long and target the green shaded area. And the risk is pretty easy to figure out. You just don't want it to get back underneath that yellow zone, 65 or 0.6495, the bottom of the yellow zone, and the 50% retracement level of the blue trend line. And that's what we're trading. We're trading above the yellow zone, targeting the green zone. No good reason to sell this right now. We do have some significant U.S. news on the calendar over the next couple of hours here that could impact this currency pair. But other than that, we'll continue to follow the trend, trading long above the yellow shaded area, targeting the green zone for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.